Alright, well, one of that first part was for you to see my get up with the EVIKE gloves, EVIKE, oh, get a little better view here. EVIKE gloves, mask, vest. I got 3 new mags. I can't see them, but actually, maybe it's a little light here. See if I can get a little light going on here. With EVIKE mags, got 3 of them. One of them's a tracer mag, which actually sucks. But today's review is on a pistol I got like a couple weeks ago. It's right here. This is the S.T.I full metal pistol. It's actually a really amazing pistol. I'm actually fell in love with this thing right away. It looks really nice. You know, has that S.T.I Texas logo right there. I'm from Texas, so I like that. It's a duty one. And it's pretty nice. The reload. Now this is the magazine. By the way, this is a blowback CO2 pistol. Here's the mag. It holds 16 rounds, 17, depends. Yeah, it's the magazine. Gonna put you down. Alright, and the CO2 is right back here. Once again, we'll put you down. Yeah, that's the CO2 in the back. A little twist. Now, once again, I would show you, shooting with this gun, but like I said before in my other videos, neighborhoods are fucking Nazis. But, cock it back, I'll show you my room. That it. Put the safety off. That it fully blowbacks. I don't know if you're able to see that. Try it right here. And when it's out, it does that. So, kind of realistic feeling, full blowback. It's nice. I like it. It's about 450 FPS, which is nice too. But yeah, this is another Private Scarecrow interview. Subscribe, like this video, show your friends.